The world never stops moving. The noise, the expectations, the endless chase, it surrounds us, consumes us, and somewhere in between, we forget to listen. When was the last time you truly heard yourself? Not the voices of doubt, not the pressure of the world, but the quiet whisper deep within. Escape isn't about leaving everything behind. It's about finding what matters. Beyond the noise, beyond the distractions. Step away just for a moment. Breathe, feel, be present. Because in silence, you will find clarity. And in stillness, you will find yourself. So take a final, deep, long breath and find your inner voice.